How to clear cat on KakaoTalk. In this guide, I'll be showing you how you can clear cat on KakaoTalk. Let's get started. First, open KakaoTalk application on your device. Now, once you are in, tap on this more right here. Now, once you do that, tap on the settings icon at the top. Tap on it. Here, scroll down. And once you scroll down, tap on data and storage. Tap on it. Here you can see delete cat's data. Tap on it. Just tap on delete. In this way, you just deleted cat's data. The next thing you can do is go to device settings and tap on general right here. Now here tap on iPhone storage. Now here find KakaoTalk, scroll down. Now tap on KakaoTalk. Tap on offload app right here. Tap on offload app and tap on offload app again. And in this way, you can clear cat in KakaoTalk. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.